Hey, this video is for Pat, but really it's for anyone that's having trouble understanding a musical rhythm. That's the big question. Pat had a question about beer barrel polka specifically. It's a tricky thing, even though polka goes like this. It's a standard rhythm, oompa oompa. Sometimes it's tough to fit in the melody into the rhythm. And really that's what makes a song beautiful. That's what makes a song personal to you. So I thought, let's take a look at the beer barrel polka, but this applies to any kind of rhythm, whether it's a tango or a waltz or a klezmer song. We'll understand the rhythm using the beer barrel polka. I have my accordion. You should have your instrument, but we're not going to touch our accordion yet. To understand a polka, to understand the beer barrel polka, we need to be able to hum along to it and really internalize the rhythm, to do this with the polka rhythm. So to sing the song, da 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 da. This is happening naturally when I'm singing a polka. When I'm humming a polka, my legs are going boom, 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 boom. There's this, I'm doing what the bass notes are doing. Pa, pa, doom, 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 doom. I'm going to do this for the toom part, for the oompa, right? Boom, bum, bum, bum. This has to keep going. And what my melody is going to do, I'm going to sing the melody. It's going to go like this. Pa 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 pa, pa 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 pa, pa 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 pa, pa pa pa. Right? Da 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 da. That's the tricky part. The tricky part is this hand is doing just 1, 2, 1, 2. Count it however you'd like. 2, 3, 4. The melody is fitting in much more notes, many more notes. It's going ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba. I'm assuming, Pat, and everyone else that's been struggling with a rhythm, whether it's a tango or a klezmer, the difficulty is in fitting more notes here. Ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba. Right? This hand finishes before this hand finishes. I have a guide on hand coordination, but really what we want to do is we want to, before even putting our hands down, because you could play the notes during this, right? This is the next step. Really what I'd love for you to do is to be able to do this. Don't damage your accordion, but to be able to go da 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 da, da 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 da. Next, tap that out. Ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba. Removed from notes. Ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba. Get your feet involved, get your shoulders involved, right? Da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da, da da da, da 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 da, da da da, da 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 da, da da da. Good. Next, let's choose a chord. Doesn't matter which. We can do B flat or C major. I'm going to choose B flat. That's the chord of the song. Let's do a B flat major. Just oompa. Not alternate bass technique. Just a simple oompa. And sing along like we did before. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Just that. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Leaving lots of room. Slow it down if you need to. Next step, tap that rhythm. Ready? Ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba, ba ba ba. Don't worry about the chord changes yet. But again, ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba. Only when you can do that can you start to introduce the melody. And even before the melody, I'm just going to choose one note, the B flat. And I'm going to tap that rhythm on the B flat. Instead of doing this, on the B flat. That's how we get to eventually. Here there's a chord change to F7. But really, I'm assuming, you can email me back, Pat, that the difficulty is in that initial hand coordination. How does the right hand do this? Right? I'm keeping a simple bass pattern of just pa, pa. Eventually, you want to build up to the alternate bass technique. I have a lesson on the alternate bass technique, which is pa, pa. Same kind of thing. Da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da, da da da. That can only come once that initial coordination, once we've built that foundation where we understand the rhythm, where we could play it in any key, where we're not just saying, what does that say in the sheet music? It says B major, F major. No, if I say play a B flat major alternate bass technique, good. I could do this and look outside. I could do this and tap my fingers. Whether it's the Bergvagabünden Polka, or Barrel Polka, whatever polka it is, I can now play the polka. I hope this lesson was useful. Thank you for the question, Pat. I'm sure lots of other people are having similar issues, whether it's a polka, a klezmer, a waltz, any sort of rhythm. How do we coordinate our hands? Thank you.